Struggling to find where to add a ship from address on eBay? In 60 seconds, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click. It is one of those settings that feels hidden until you know the path, and once you do, it completely changes the game for your shipping process. So here is the plan. I will walk you through the exact menu path, from your profile, into account settings, then to addresses, and finally adding your new ship from location. It is a straight shot once you see it. Let us start right now. Go ahead and hover your mouse over the profile icon. It is usually in the top left corner of your screen, or depending on your layout, it might be up near your sign-in name. Just let your cursor sit there for a second. You are going to see a drop-down menu appear, and this is where the navigation really begins. Now, from that drop-down, click Account Settings. This is the command center for everything on your seller account. Think of it as the dashboard where you control how your business runs behind the scenes. And here is the thing. Once you are in account settings, you are exactly where you need to be. Next, look down the left-hand sidebar or the menu tabs. You are going to see an option labeled Addresses. Go ahead and click on that. This section holds all the locations eBay knows about for your account. Your return address, your primary location, everything. It is all in this one spot. Scroll down the page a little bit until you see the section called Ship From Addresses. This is the specific area we are targeting. It might be below your primary or business address, so just keep your eyes on the screen and scroll past the first few sections until you hit that header. Once you see Ship From Addresses, click the Add Address button. It is usually a blue or a clearly labeled link right there in that section. And that is it. You have now opened the form to put in your new location. And here is the really important part, entering your address details. Take your time with this one. You are going to fill in your street address, city, state, and zip code. Make sure you double-check everything here because eBay uses this information to calculate shipping rates. If you accidentally put in the wrong zip code, your labels might generate with incorrect costs or even wrong delivery dates. I have seen sellers get hit with unexpected fees just because they typed a digit wrong in the street number, so be thorough. If you are using a warehouse or a third-party fulfillment center, use the exact address they provide you. Once everything looks good and accurate, click the Save button. It might take a moment to process, so do not worry if you see a little loading spinner for a second or two. And just like that, your new Ship From address is live on your account. Now you can confidently manage multiple shipping locations on eBay. Whether you are shipping from home, a warehouse, or a different state entirely, you have the control right at your fingertips. Thanks for sticking with me through this walkthrough. Hopefully this saves you a ton of time and headache on your next label. Happy selling!